Hi, my name is Brendan Bohan and I'm a Solutions Engineer here at SingleStore. Today we're going to be diving deeper into how to create your first notebook. SingleStore notebooks are an extension of Jupyter notebooks with the ability to use Python, SQL, and Markdown. Something we'll show within this video. You'll be able to start using notebooks by navigating to the Data Studio tab on the left side. There are a few tabs to use here. From the left to the right, we have Recent, Personal, and Shared are all the notebooks that you have recently edited, the notebooks only you can see, or Shared, the notebooks your entire team can see. The Gallery is a collection of all curated notebooks for different topics that the SingleStore team has created. The Firewall, or the Allow list, allows certain endpoints that your workspace is going to try and connect to. Finally, the Secret tab is where your API keys are held. You can explore in more depth on your own time, but first, let's create our first notebook. A few notes on this tab. There are several options on how to create your first notebook, whether that be personal or shared, or even a pre-populated notebook when selecting the different options at the bottom. After loading the notebook, you can see the usual tabs you would see on the Jupyter Notebooks interface as well. Pro tip: if you run into issues after declaring variables, a quick kernel restart usually does the trick. I'll go ahead and make sure we are using the correct database and run it via the play button on the left side. And in the cell below, we'll run another quick SQL command to see the tables created. Reminder, in our shared tier, you are limited to 10 tables. Speak to the team if you need more. On the right of the cells, you can move around the cells, copy cells, delete cells, and my favorite, ask our AI chatbot to analyze your code. Great! So you've created a blank template notebook, and these are saved in real time so your work doesn't get lost. Let's see how we can import one from the gallery. Navigate back to the Data Studio, click on Gallery, and choose any notebook. I'll click the first for now. Once it's loaded, you can go ahead and edit those cells however you see fit. And there you have it, creating your very first notebook in SingleStore.